What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon, where today we're diving into the top 3 best RC planes for kids, packed with exciting features, bright LED lights, and beginner-friendly controls to spark a love for flying and outdoor fun. Let's get started. Number 3 on our list is the Toibus FX622 RC planes for kids. The Toibus FX622 RC plane brings the excitement of aviation to young enthusiasts with a kid-friendly design inspired by the iconic F-22 fighter. Crafted entirely from durable EPP foam, the aircraft is both lightweight and resilient, making it ideal for beginners. Its bright LED lights enhance visual appeal, creating a striking effect during nighttime flights that captures the imagination of children and adults alike. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, the FX622 offers up to 30 minutes of continuous flight. Its powerful thrust system allows for impressive speed and a flight distance ranging between 320 and 400 feet, letting young pilots explore the skies with ease. The plane's 6 gyro stabilization system ensures smooth and stable control, automatically correcting balance during turns, which makes it accessible even to kids under 12. Its versatility includes both ground takeoff and hand-throw takeoff, adding layers of fun and interaction to every flight session. The FX622 comes fully assembled with landing gear, eliminating the need for glue or complicated setup. Its 2-channel remote control is intuitive for beginners and adults alike, allowing simple navigation in all directions. Additionally, the 2.4 GHz radio control frequency enables multiple planes to fly simultaneously without interference, making group flights a delightful shared experience. Compact yet capable, the Toibus FX622 RC plane offers an immersive flying experience while fostering hand-eye coordination and interest in aviation. With its engaging design, reliable performance, and ease of use, it is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or a special back-to-school surprise, bringing hours of enjoyment to kids and families alike. Number 2 is the Gravity Gliders SU-27 RC planes for kids. The Gravity Gliders SU-27 RC plane brings the thrill of aviation directly to young enthusiasts. Inspired by the legendary Su-27 fighter jet, a third-generation all-weather air superiority aircraft, this model captures the essence of its real-life counterpart while being fully adapted for beginner pilots. Designed from lightweight and durable EPP foam, it ensures safety and longevity during outdoor play. Flying the Su-27 RC plane is simple and enjoyable, thanks to its 2 takeoff methods and a built-in automatic flight stabilization system. Beginners can easily navigate the plane using its 2-channel control, while the smart gyroscope keeps flight steady and precise. The 2.4 GHz radio control system allows smooth movement in 4 directions: up, down, left, and right, giving young pilots a realistic and engaging flight experience. With a route distance of up to 150 meters, the plane provides ample space for outdoor fun. Adding to the excitement, the Su-27 comes equipped with a colorful LED light bar, creating stunning visual effects for nighttime flights. Its aerodynamic design mirrors that of a real fighter jet, combining beauty with performance. 2 rechargeable 3.7-volt, 250 mAh lithium batteries power the plane, offering extended playtime while keeping charging straightforward. Assembly is quick and easy, requiring only the attachment of the battery, wheels, and tail before the first flight. For the best experience, pilots are advised to fly in open areas with mild weather conditions, starting with a throttle of 30–40% to maintain controlled flight. A full 50-minute charge allows about 15 minutes of dynamic flying, giving plenty of opportunities to master maneuvers and enjoy the thrill of piloting a fighter jet. The Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane combines education, fun, and adventure, making it a perfect gift for aspiring aviators and RC enthusiasts alike. And finally, our number 1 pick is the 4DRC V32 RC planes for kids. The 4DRC V32 RC plane is a thrilling introduction to the world of remote-controlled flight, designed to captivate both kids and adults. Engineered for excitement, this RC airplane comes equipped with features like 360-degree flips, gravity sensing, aerobatic rolls, and fast takeoffs. Its versatile flight capabilities include headless mode, one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 adjustable speed settings, making every flight an opportunity to explore creativity and hone piloting skills. From school gymnasiums to sandy beaches, the Ford DRC V32 offers endless possibilities for aerial fun. A standout feature of the V32 is its bright LED lights, which transform the plane into a glowing spectacle during evening flights. The luminous trails create magical visuals against the night sky, enhancing family outings, camping trips, or backyard adventures. This feature allows playtime to extend into the evening while adding a touch of wonder to every maneuver. Ease of use is a key strength of the Ford DRC V32. The plane requires no assembly, and simple button controls allow pilots of all ages to launch, control, and land effortlessly. Beginners and experienced flyers alike can enjoy intuitive handling that quickly builds confidence and excitement. Safety and durability are built into the design, with 4 protective propellers and soft yet resilient EPP foam construction. The plane withstands tumbles and crashes, ready for repeated flights, whether indoors or outdoors. Its combination of playability and robust construction ensures lasting enjoyment. Ideal as a gift for aspiring pilots, the Ford DRC V32 RC plane promises to deliver moments of joy and wonder. Whether for birthdays, holidays, or spontaneous surprises, this airplane turns dreams of flying into unforgettable experiences for children and adults alike. Before you go, don't miss out on these awesome picks. Check the price link in the description to grab the best deals. And if you enjoyed this guide, like and subscribe to Triplezon for more smart reviews and fun finds.